Hey everyone! Vishal here from AppMelodies, your one-stop destination for amazing Flutter apps and game tutorials. Today I'm super excited to walk you through a beautiful and relaxing Flutter project called MoodMorph. It's a unique breathing and color therapy app designed to match your emotions and help you de-stress in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the steps and build this clean, modern Flutter app without using any external assets or packages. Step 1. Open up Android Studio or Visual Studio Code and start a new Flutter project. Choose Application, make sure the platform is set to All or Android, and select Kotlin as the language. Name your project MoodMorph and click Finish. Step 2. Now go to your project folder and open the pubspec.yaml file. Replace everything inside with the updated code provided in the description or blog post. It's lightweight, clean, and includes only what's necessary. Step 3. Download the main.zip file from the description or directly from appmelodies.com. Extract the file, and inside you'll find main.dart. Move this file into the lib folder of your Flutter project to replace the default one. Then open Terminal and run your project using Flutter Run. First, you'll see a splash screen, then a mood selection screen. Choose your current emotion, like calm, happy, sad, angry, or neutral. The app will guide you through a soothing breathing animation with colors matching your mood. MoodMorph is perfect for meditation and wellness apps. It's simple to use, has zero dependencies, and provides a beautiful user experience. Then a mood selector where you can choose how you're feeling: calm, happy, sad, angry, or neutral. The app will show a beautiful breathing animation with a modern design and soft gradient effects based on your emotion. After a short relaxing session, it ends with a clean result screen and gives you the option to try again. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to AppMelodies, and let me know in the comments what Flutter app or game you want me to build next. Your ideas help shape future projects, and I'd love to hear from you. Visit appmelodies.com for the full source code, ready-to-publish apps, and Flutter tutorials from beginner to advanced. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building something beautiful, one app at a time.